Welcome to Physical Education by Pankaj sir. If you are new on channel, then subscribe and press bell icon. Today's first question is: all reflex activities are controlled by pons, spinal cord, cerebellum, or cerebrum. The right answer belongs to B option, spinal cord. Move on. Next question. Next question is given: who considered psychology as the science of activities for an individual in relation to his environment? Woodworth, William James, Watson, Robert Singer. Right answer is for this question is A option, Woodworth. A option is right for this question. Move on. Next question 33. Posture is an index of personality, health, character, fitness. Right answer is personality. A option is right for this question. This question is posture is an index of personality. Move on. Next question 34. Goniometer is equipment which is used to measure strength of muscle, angle of joint, blood glucose level, or blood lactate. And right answer A, B, C, or D. The right answer is option number B, angle of joint, and B option is right. Next question. Profuse sweating during strenuous physically activity causes the loss of sodium chloride, potassium, calcium, or glycogen. You can choose one option A, B, C, or D. If you are new on channel, then subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Or for notes, you can contact us 9621819209. All notes are prepared in PDF type one-liner questions. Notes price is only 500 rupees. You can pay by Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, and then got notes. The right answer for this question 35. Sodium chloride is right answer. A option is right. Next question 36. In which Olympic did women participate for the first time? 1896 Athens, 1900 Paris, 1920 Antwerp, 1928 Amsterdam. So 36 right answer belongs to 36. B option is right. 1900 in Paris में ये held in Paris 1900. It is most important question. Move on. Next question 37. The earliest person known to have invented the system of body classification was Selden, Kretschmer, Hall, Hippocrates. The right answer for this question is Selden. If you are contact for notes 9621819209. This is my WhatsApp number. Contact for notes. All notes are prepared in PDF. Or notes price is only 500 rupees. If you want notes, you can contact 9621819209. Preschool children learn things by imitation, practice, watching TV, repetition. Preschool children learn things by 38. Very easy and important question. Imitation is right answer. Move on. Next question 39. The two great dangers of wounds are bleeding and infection, pain and swelling, shock and shivering, burning and loss of tissue. So 39th right answer is A option, bleeding and infection is the right answer. A option belongs for this question. Move on. Next question 40 number. In the school setting, the major channel of publicity for the physical education program is teachers, students, advertisement, intramurals. 40th right answer is A, B, C, or D. For notes, you can contact us 9621819209. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact this number and all notes available in this on this number. Price of notes is only 500 rupees. Right answer for this question, 40 number, D option, intramural, right answer. Next, who said recreation is not a matter of motions but emotions? Joseph Lee, Ramney, John Dewey, John Heisinger. 41's right answer is B option, Ramney. Next question, 42. The functional efficiency of a muscle depends upon its nerve stimulation, girth, fiber quality, tones. Right answer is C option, fiber quality. For notes you can contact 9621819209. All notes prepared in PDF type. Notes price is only 500 rupees. If the mean of 5 score is 25 and standard deviation is 0, what will be the value of 5th score? By formula you can got this answer, 25. Which of the following condition is not a cause for the occurrence of plateau in learning? Fatigue, mountaineering, distraction, psychological limit. 44th right answer is D option, psychological limit. Move on, next question, 45. From the viewpoint of sociology, which of the following factors is the most important one in the development of human personality? Money, art, literature, culture. A, B, C, D. Which is the right answer? Right answer is culture. D option is right for this question. Most important question. You can take its screenshot. The most important consideration in selecting the sports equipment is price, source, utility, quality. Right answer 46 number is quality. D option is right. For notes you can contact us 9621819209. Notes price is only 500 rupees. All notes are prepared in PDF type, one-liner questions. Next question. Hypothalamus is associated with the control of motor actions, thinking, glands, emotions. Hypothalamus is associated with the control of glands. C is right answer. Next question, 48. Which of the following was developed from the English round by Abner Doubleday in Newark in 1839? Basketball, volleyball, netball, baseball. 48th right answer is belongs baseball. D option is right for this question. Move on, next question, 49. Cognitive process is concerned with. What is the right answer of 49? Knowing experience, feeling experience, striving experience, thinking experience. The cognitive process is concerned with knowing experience. A option is right for this question. A option is right. Next question, 50 number questions is, from the viewpoint of psychology, sympathy is an instinct, an emotion, a general initiate tendency, or a reflex action. 50's right answer is an instinct. A option is right. Move on, next question, 51 number question is, 1 minute. Sigmund Freud is known to be the father of theory of motivation, theory of psychoanalysis, theory of connectionism, theory of parallelism. What is the right answer? Theory of psychoanalysis. B option is right for this question. 51's right answer is B option. For notes you can contact us 9621819209. It is my WhatsApp number. You can contact us. All notes price is only 500 rupees. You can got it by paymenting Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, Amazon Pay. After completed payment you can send a screenshot on my WhatsApp number. The number of bones in the cranium is 4, 6, 8 or 10. It belongs 8 is right answer. C option is right. Next question, 53. Ball and socket types of joint is fixed joint, uniaxial joint, biaxial joint, triaxial joint. Ball and socket types of joint is triaxial joint. D is right answer. Next question 54. During exercise the cardiac minute volume in the 1 minute average man may rise from 4 liters to 10 liters, 15 liters, 20 liters, 25 liter. The right answer is for this question 15 liter is right and B option is right. Question number 55. Increase in muscle mass due to heavy weight training is called muscular hypertrophy, muscular hypertrophy, muscular atrophy or amyotrophy. 55 right answer is muscular hypertrophy. Right answer is B option for this question. 55 numbers right answer is B option. Move on 56. The richest source of protein is pulses, groundnut, soybean or egg. Very easy question, important question. Soya bean is right answer. Move on 57 number question. Who amongst the following are found to be most ugly high jumper athlete? Gymnasts, swimmers, divers. Right answer is for this question is gymnasts. B option is right. Next question 58. 1 minute. This. Which of the following systems of the body is the focal point in movement? Circulatory system, nervous system, respiratory system, muscular system. 58 right answer is muscular system belongs 58. D option is right for this question. Move on next question 59 number question is which of the following are considered as the social inheritance of man? Traditions, habits, conditional reflex, religious practices. 59th right answer is C option. C option right is for this question. For notes you can contact us 9621819209. This two 9621819209 you can contact us for this question. For notes, all notes prepared in PDF type. Notes price is only 500 rupees. Payment completed by Phone Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay and Paytm. Which one of the following concepts reflects the true nature of modern physical education? 60s right answer is physical training, science of movement, movement education or athleticism. The 60s right answer is A option physical training. For notes contact us 9621819209. All notes in PDF. Price of notes is only 500 rupees.